So hi everyone, I am Kayum and here in this video we will going to learn about then how to set up and configure Gemini CLI on our Debian Linux machine. So we can use Gemini CLI for automation on our Linux CLI terminal, right? So in this video we will going to install it and use it, okay, vice versa. So the steps I have listed like this, okay. So for installation we will follow these steps, and for uninstallation we can follow this, right? So the first step, we need to install the snapd utility, okay. So using that we will install the Gemini CLI, right? The first step is to install the snapd, right? So you can see this is our command and it will run it, right? So it will take some time. After that we will enable the snapd socket, right? Okay, so it has been installed. We can see this using snapd. Okay, no problem in that. Now the next step is that to enable the socket. Okay, so it can automatically start on reboot. Now the third step will be to install the Gemini CLI itself, right? So this step we will install the Gemini CLI. Okay, so it will take some time and it will get installed, then we will start. Also remember that we need an API key from Google AI Studio. Okay, so you can create it there. Hmm. So meanwhile we can go to the which is API, Google API key, right? Here I will create a key, right? Gemini API key, right? This is right. Okay, so we are creating a key. Okay guys, you can see this is the way to create the key, right? We will use that key to connect. Okay, so this has been done. Now we will move to the next step. So to run the Gemini we can use this, right? Okay, so this is the first step. This is a interactive menu, right? So there are three options, right? We will use the Gemini API, right? And just here we need to paste the API. It also says that this is the website. You can go and create a API key, right? So this is our latest key. Okay. So just go here and copy this, right? And paste it here, right? And then hit enter. Okay. So we are inside our now first step. Hello. Okay. So you can see hello. I'm Gemini CLI, your senior software engineer assistant. How can I help you, right? So we will ask it create a shell script to export Oracle database schema. So it will ask you that allow execution of the environment. Okay. So it will actively execute the, you can see it is actively executing the command, right? So you can see it is giving us that it will execute this command, right? LSLD. It will check. If it's not found, it will say not found. Okay. So we are getting an output as not found, as I haven't installed the uh, Oracle Linux, the Oracle database, right? Allow once. It will ask us about it, and it has been created this, and you can see it. Hmm? Hmm? We can see here. So you can see the script has been created at this location, right? Hmm. So you can see it also given us the summary that what are the session and what are the models it has been used, right? So you can see this is our shell script. Okay, export. Let's see. Okay, what it has created. So guys, in this way, we can use the Gemini model. Okay, you can see how accurately it has created the script. Very fantastic. And this is how we can run the commands. Okay, so just we need to execute this what we call as shell script. Since I haven't installed any Oracle database currently, so that is what we can have. Let again ask it. Okay, you can see we are inside. Now what I will ask, we have installed the Docker. Okay, please check if this system has Docker installed. Okay, so guys, in this way we can right, in this way we can use the Linux using the Gemini CLI, right? So you can ask it snap list Docker. So you can see uh, Docker is not installed, or it is or is not accessible in your current system path, right? So I will tell it use a sudo Docker version. Okay, okay. So you can see this is also suggesting us that what is the steps. So this is how we can communicate with the Gemini model, right? I am unable to process any of I cannot Docker is not ensure Docker is installed and accessible in the system's path for the. So this is how guys we can do it, right? List out files in current directory. So guys, you can see this is how it runs, right? Check my hostname. Okay, you can see, right? Now I will ask it to delete. Okay, so it will show you that this is the command and whether it can execute it or not. So I will say it allow, right? So you can see it has been deleted this command, right? What we will ask it, show me disk usage of all mount points. Okay, so this is how, guys, if you don't know anything about the Linux and what are the commands, you can use the Gemini CLI to run it, right? And you can see it, right? It doesn't have the permission to execute the, okay, df hyphen df hyphen. So it's tell us that I am unable to retrieve the disk usage of mount points because of the df command is not accessible with the current permission. So this is how we can do it, right? So I'm asking it that can you check if any of the directory contains Oracle 19c binary zip file, right? Guys, you can see it, it founds the path, right? So it is really fantastic that it's shown us that this is the location of the zip file, right? And this is fantastic. Wow, this is how we can take the use. Okay, this is how we can take the use of uh, Gemini model. Okay, so guys, you like this video, thank you for watching this video. Now what I will do, so this is the entire summary, what models it use and what is the input tokens, catch, output tokens, right? Request 17, and that is all, right? What I will do now, I will uninstall this Gemini model, right? So for installation we can do this, right? Sudo snap Gemini. Okay, those this is these are the steps to uninstall the Gemini also, right? So basically this is more connected with the CLI itself, right? So if you provide the required permissions on your Linux machine to Gemini CLI, it can do whatever you ask to it, right? As you've seen that we have asked it to find the zip file, and it clearly find it, right? So this is how we can use it. Okay, the first step has been done. Now the next, which is snapdb. Yes. Now these are the steps. Remove the snap directory, then where cache for snap, and finally this one. Okay, so hope guys this video finds you helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.